Since the dawn of time.
Or maybe just pointed projectiles and the discovery of fire. Mankind has been harvesting all kinds of meat groups for protein, nourishment, and sustenance.
Here comes one now. I got him.
Among those groups, the Anis platyorhynchos, more commonly referred to as duck. As we evolved, so did our capacity for meat preservation. But before the fridge and freezer, people had to preserve using salt and rendered animal fats. A heritage process the world over, a great skill to learn for just in case or for hobby's sakes. Stick around, post station identification, and learn how to make duck rillette.
Kicking it in the woods full time. It's nice to get out into the city and check out some
Curated landscapes. Chinese window meats. Dollar store cheap seats. Coffee in paper cups. To over-the-counter snacks for pups. Where were we?
We're in town visiting our friend and innovative culinary genius, H.R. Mueller, who will be showing us today how to make duck rillette.
Out of here.
First gonna need you some duck. Add a 3 to 2 part salt to sugar rub ratio. Cling wrap and place in fridge overnight. Duck rillette, a French delicacy, has a rich history rooted in the tradition of preserving meat through slow cooking and rendering fat. The practice of making rillettes, originally using pork, dates back to the Middle Ages. Either render fat or prep, store purchased. Rinse duck. Dry duck. Submerge duck in fat. Cover duck. And add to oven preheated at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. Check after 2.
What is... Eat them.
Leave duck cool in your fat for a couple of hours.
We are just gonna...
Remove from fat and strip meat from bone. Once your meat's pulled from the bone, you're going to want to reach in and strip it down into thin, stringy strips.
These wispy fuckers of duck.
Pour the fat from the crock pot you cooked the duck in to a separate container for later. What you're looking for is the gelatinous leftover protein deposits from the duck having cooked in the fat. Packed with flavor, you're going to want to scrape all of this together and transfer it directly onto your prepared meat. Whip that meat and grind in all of that flavor, and you're going to want to add in some fat for consistency. This is all going into jars afterwards, so whipping it down makes it more malleable for fitment. Add more fat as needed and transfer into jars.
Trying to push all the air bubbles out as much as we can.
Top off with a layer of fat and screw lid on tightly. You'll want to let these rest in the fridge for at least an hour before opening. A more gourmet of food preservation before modern refrigeration, rillettes would commonly be stored in a root cellar. But for modern food safety and legal reasons, we'll tell you to use your refrigerator. Do you think they noticed it came out of a different fridge? Maybe just don't mention it. You're gonna want to break through your layer of fat. And you could just eat it straight off your fork, or all French and fancy, on a baguette. Magnifique.
like us. They ain't got it like us.